Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets, and this is the pre-market webinar for crypto for the morning of Tuesday, the 26th of August. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer screenshots. I'm not here to shoot trading signals. Right, okay, let's have a look at Bitcoin first, because this is where a lot of the action is at the moment. Obviously, we saw a breakdown from the double top, and we've seen continuation. I was talking about this being the key level, which is the weak middle band, and we have seen that reached, or at least more or less. We've almost reached the possible near miss target here on the trend line, on the sell signal. Is it common to see a retest higher high after that? Yes, we did that here after reaching slightly lower than this level, so that is possible. And actually, we do that here? No, we didn't. We made a lower high. So we could see a rally here historically. This is the key support level. We're going to need to get through it if we're going to get to the double top target, which is at 99 to 100k. All right, on the daily chart, obviously we're well below the daily middle band and below currently the daily lower band as well. On the chart here, we've got a possible 60 RSI 14 buy signal brewing. I think that may have fixed already. I'm not certain. Yes, I think it has. So we shall see. Actually, I'm just going to check that. Bear with me a moment. Nope, hasn't fixed yet. Still brewing. So no, it has fixed. All right, just made a lower low within it. Okay, so I'm just going to mark that in as fixed. So we do have an RSI 14 buy signal fixed, and we do have, although the bull setup did actually take some significant damage yesterday. I'll go and assess that in a moment. We do have still a decent bullish setup here. We've got a little wedge. This could have been a bullish underthrow, and certainly I'm thinking there's good reasons to think we might see a bit of a rally here, but we will see. Bigger picture, this is still a very nice topping setup, and we've got nice topping setups as well now on Solana and Ethereum. Looking at the chart setup here, this was the really nice looking nested double bottom setup we saw here, and this didn't break up and went lower. So we've lost the smaller double bottom. We've weakened the larger double bottom, and we'll have to see how it goes. I think this could be a bullish underthrow, but in all honesty, this wasn't particularly encouraging. But what I would say is we've got a little inverse 10 shoulders here. It's broken up. It's got a target in about the 113 area, I think. So we could see that. Or at least, actually, I don't think it's quite as high as that, so bear with me a moment. I'll just draw that in too. All right, so that one's off, that one's off. Take that in too, and that one. Well, I'll keep that one actually. Okay, we've got a little inverted head and shoulders here. It is not large at all. We have, that is the lower line. Yeah, it's broken up. And that's got a target in about the 112.5 area. So let's see how that goes. I'm thinking we're probably good for a rally up till then. We've certainly got the supporting, positive divergence on the hourly chart. We'll see how far it gets from here. In terms of the larger double bottom, that has altered significantly. So we will see that. So I'm taking that off at the moment, and we will see. But that was a nice looking setup, and it's already gone, and that's not particularly encouraging for bulls. In terms of the daily setup, here we did have an oversized double bottom here, which looked way too large, but this one actually looks an appropriate size. This one would have a target down about the 140 area on a sustained break below 175.68. We got to an overnight high at over weekend high at 213.47, and it's already come almost 30 points from that, and it's only got another 10 points to go to get down to double top support. I'm thinking this could break down. Looking at Ethereum, sorry, that was Ethereum. No, was it? No, Solana. Okay, looking at Ethereum, Ethereum, we've got a potential level top here too. Obviously, we had a head and shoulders there. It failed. It broke up, and again, we've come much of the way back to a retest of the low. Not taking this trend line particularly serious here, but it would be a strike in the bear's favor in the event it breaks. I'm mainly watching double top support at 406.326, and if we were to see that breakdown, we would have a target range at about the 31.30 to 33.20 area. So we will see how that goes. But that actually could be a match to getting to this support trend line here. I'm taking these quite seriously. These are pretty nice, and I'm wondering, given that this tends to positively correlate with equities, whether if it heads down here, that's probably going to be in the context of further weakness on equities. So we shall see. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. I'm having a quick look at questions, of which there are none. Brilliant. In that case, everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning.